Stella. Stella would usually chase her.
She's so cute.
Oh my goodness, what you doing?
She's like peeing. She's so cute. I just saw the hot pink, Mom.
Yeah.
She's flying foul to foul, I think. Oh, she's flying on these. Those must have pollen on it.
I don't know about that.
No, right there is one of those.
Oh, Stella's on the swing. Stella's on the swing. Stella. Is that so nice to be on the swing? You like the little swing? It's so cute. You're adorable, honey. Oh, see, that's a nice swing, huh? Yeah. It's a nice little perch. Oh, you're so pretty. You're the prettiest. I just love you. You are so cute.
Foot is like scratching the hummingbird feet up.
So cute. Oh, there she goes again. She saw one. That's it.
He's so cute. She keeps like switching out to eat. She doesn't feel that. It's so cute. I love watching it. Daddy, gotta see it. It's so cute. She keeps dancing with hummingbirds.
Yeah, she's drinking now.
Yeah.
That took a lot of energy. She's got to refuel.
So, in unearthing that jump.